The Ministry of Business and the Inter-American Development Bank today hosted its first electronic single-window workshop at the Pegasus Hotel under the focus Developing a Roadmap to Electronic Single Window in Guyana. STOLL has the details.
Minister of Business DOMINIC explained the project, once implemented, will transform the way business is done in the country.
This is what businesses in Guyana want, and this is what Guyana needs to facilitate trade and other business transactions in a way that is efficient and cost-effective and clean. And by clean, I mean free from corrupt practices.
GASKIN assured that the venture will not be one to fade away and therefore encouraged stakeholders to take ownership of the project.
We have an important mission, and it is we who have to get it right. And I'm not suggesting that we alone have to develop the single window system, or that we have no friends or partners to help us and to guide us in how we develop this system. We need to own this, and we need to believe in this, because if we don't, there will be no electronic single window system in Guyana anytime soon.
The minister commended the South Korea Technical Cooperation and the IDB for funding the preparatory work of the project. The backing, he noted, came as a result of pushing international trade and economic development around the world. The workshop aims to identify and analyze conceptual models and challenges for the implementation of the ESW. Reporting for InfoHub, STOLL.